Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a tiny scale model car. So let's check on it. Before we meet the toy car, please check on my channel and subscribe the channel. So this is the toy car. As you see, this is a diecast model of Mahindra Thar. This comes with a super pullback function and a realistic engine sound. This toy car also has openable doors and lifelike lights. So let's open this without wasting time. Yo, our Thar looks so cute, so let's open this. And now we have the iconic Mahindra Thar. So let's take it out from the box. Whoa, this car is literally amazing, guys. Let's explore the toy car. Before we proceed, please click on the like button. This is a pullback action toy car, guys. This is a pullback action toy car, guys. It has a longer life. This toy car has two openable front doors. Wow! This car has good interior with a better and realistic dashboard and seats. And also has a stepney wheel. This toy car has realistic bumper and a good ground clearance, guys. Now let's check on the last and final feature of our Mahindra Thar diecast model. It is the light and sound feature. So guys, it is really fun to have this toy car. It's so amazing and realistic, and it gives a very good performance. So subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Also, if you have any doubts or suggestions, please use the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye.